Hi friends, this is Brooke from Urban Paper Crafter, and today I'm very excited to show you guys our newest album. This is a to-go kit, and we'll be doing the instruction via a live interactive class in a private Facebook group. This album is constructed with manila file folders, and it's so cool the way that it goes together. There's lots of tags and flips and folds and pockets with extra inserts here, so lots of places for photos and little hidden things. And we've got a few extra things in this album too, because I thought that the paper line really lended itself to this. You know how we love vintage stuff at the store. And so in your kit, you're going to get one of these cool brass vintage tool tags. You're also going to get a vintage milk cap that you can use as an accessory in your book. Plus, in one of our recent trips, we found this so cool stamp. I love this one, and it's perfect for this kit. So I'll be doing the stamping to make sure that you are able to get this into your kit, and this will be on all of your big tags as well. So be sure to get registered as soon as possible for this one so we can make sure to have our kits ready to go for the class. Thank you guys so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.